Life is a journey to happiness. Korail adds the romance of train travel to your journey. Korail's tourist trains visualize domestic tourism and regional economies. A train travel that makes your life more beautiful. Korail Tourist Trains. Korail has prepared a train travel for you to heal your soul. The Squirrel O train circulates Korea's central inland region along the Paektu-taegan mountain range. The White Baby Tiger V train runs around the deepest valleys that you can reach only by train. The O train and the V train offer you a healing travel, taking you to the road to broaden and deepen yourself. The long journey of life is full of new encounters. The S train travels across the Jeolla province in the southwest and the Gyeongsang province in the southeast, offering a unique sense of connection and unity on the way. The S train takes you to the southern coast. Feeling the southern flavor and charm on your way, you will make fond memories and great stories. Now the train is running to the world's most special land. The DMZ train shows you the nature that healed the wounds of war, opening a new path to peace. Running through the DMZ transformed from the symbol of war into a wonderful sanctuary of nature, the train shows you the true meaning of peace in the world's last divided country. Now it's time to go off to Cheongsan to see the picturesque scenery of the Gangwon province. Enjoying the breathtaking view of the mountains and valleys on the train. You will feel like being a part of the beautiful landscape. Riding this special train running with the melodies of Arari will be an unforgettable memory of your journey. True friendship is as beautiful as true love. Like a dear friend you always want to be with, the West Gold Train touches your heart. Traveling along the West Coast, the train stops at 7 golden destinations. Just like discovering a surprising new side of an old friend, the West Gold Train makes you see the West Coast through fresh eyes. Choose the trains that you like, just like living a life of your own choice. Connect the routes of Korail tourist trains, and that will make a tourist map of Korea. Where is your train heading? Enjoy your journey of life at your own pace. Korail will be there for you. To tomorrow, to the future. Let's Korail.